Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What a wonderful.
It's been very long since I made a normal video, but I'm here with Ida and her boyfriend Krish, who's visiting. And oh, I got a new tattoo. Life update. We have a fun day planned today. We're going bowling, we're going to the arcade, we're gonna have like a fun day out so Krish can enjoy and experience Orange County to the fullest. I have an acai bowl here for breakfast and I have coffee here for breakfast. Ida's gonna exercise, he's gonna shower, I'm gonna shower, and then we're gonna get ready to leave. House update. Ida and I have added stuff to this house to make it better. We added these wall paintings because a lot of people on our house tour said it looked too empty. So we added side tables on the couches with some flowers and candles and stuff. We also added this chair over here. We added paint like wall art here. We also added neon lights and a little distortion mirror here. And we also added an entrance table here where we can put our keys and masks and shoes and stuff. I'm going to go and shower now and I'm gonna do a little transformation, guys. Go from looking this trashy to cute. So, are you ready? Oh, I stepped on my laptop. Are you ready? I don't know how that transition was because I showered and I think my camera moved, but whatever, we'll work with it. This is the outfit. Top from Brandy Melville. This is from Motel Rocks. Jeans from Fashion Nova. Outfit of the day. So what have you made for?
I made chicken.
What chicken?
That we marinated yesterday. Cajun. What is it? Cajun.
Cajun.
Cajun. Please don't put that in. Cajun spice. There is rice.
I'm currently baking a microwavable pizza for lunch while they eat healthy food. I'm gonna do my makeup now and get ready because our friend is on his way to pick us up, and then we're gonna go to the arcade, bowl, play some arcade games, and maybe get food later. We'll see. I did really basic makeup. I didn't really do much. I just put on concealer and a little bit of blush. You can't even see it, but it makes me feel good. And I put on some jewelry. Now I'm ready. We're just waiting and then we're gonna leave. Chai is here to pick us up. Do you want to introduce yourself to the
Hi
vlog?
guys, y'all know me, I guess.
As my ex-boyfriend.
Yes.
But he's also my friend, and it shows that you can be friends with your exes. Yes, I am.
Don't do that.
We're going to pick up coffee right now at Phil's. We just got our Phil's.
And we're going to the thrift store.
Yeah, that's in the orange circle just for fun, just before we go bowling, just to like, chillax. We're crossing the road illegally right now. We're at the bowling place. There's currently a competition going on between the couple because Krish is losing and Ida's beating him, and he doesn't want to be last and Ida doesn't want to be last, so they're competing. Krish is 1 point away from Ida and this is the final play. If he... No, he won't. Don't lie. He won't beat me. He'll be equal to me. Oh my god, it's a tie.
What we died.
We just left the arcade and now we're going to a food place to eat and then we're gonna go home. I just got sushi and I got
fat ass meal.
A feast. Now we're going to Chai's house so Krish can see his house. Model your new clothes for us. Thank you. Okay. Chai's new skater boy alter ego. Try to skate now. Tricks.
3, 2, 1.
Centrifugal
There's an old man in the other one.
So I just got home and I thought I'd show you guys what I got from the thrift store. I got this little head bandana thing. If you don't know already, I love head accessories. It's my thing. Ow, ow, ow. It's stuck in my earring. I love hair accessories, bandanas, anything like that. So very cute. Feel like a little hipster girl. What is going on with my earring? Okay. And then I got this little top. Very like this lacy kind of vintagey retro vibe. And then the last thing which I love is this little black mini skirt with this these button things. It's kind of like a skirt. Is that a thing still? It's like, oh never mind, it's not. Is it a skirt? Yes it is. It's kind of like shorts with this little thing, so it looks like a skirt. Very cute, very vintage. And yeah, I just got these 3 things, but I'm very happy about my finds. And now I'm just gonna write a paper. I have a team paper due on Thursday, so I need to finish writing my half of it right now, and I'm gonna sit and finish that. I know I'm sitting in the dark, but this is how I work best. But I just finished writing my team paper, my half of the team paper for my management class, and it actually took way less time than I thought it would. It was just 2 pages, but yeah, I'm done with my homework. But now I'm gonna end the vlog because it's 8 p.m. and I don't think I'm gonna do anything else tonight except watch TV. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.